Cameron, we just want to say happy birthday, and we hope you are enjoying your party.
Happy birthday, baby boy. Love you.
And I can put you in.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cameron. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cameron.
Happy birthday.
And you enjoy your day, and may you be blessed with many more, nephew. We'll see you soon.
I can see the whole city from this balcony.
Hey Cam, it's Gigi. Just wanting to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your special day. I love you.
Pineapple juice, I give a sweet, sweet, sweet.
Hey Cameron, my little pumpkin, happy birthday, happy 12th birthday. You just don't know how much I love you so much. I wish nothing but the best for you. And I'm glad I could be here with you for your birthday party. Love you so much from Yaya.
UPS workers making sure I receive it. You can do it too, believe it. I've been a...
Happy birthday to my fellow Capricorn. I pray that this day is all that you wanted it to be. Much fun, much love. I'm super proud of you. Have an amazing day. Enjoy your friends. And I'm sorry I couldn't make it, but I do have a gift for you. Happy birthday, Cam.
Are you ready? Yes, I am. They say you a superstar now, damn. I guess I am.
Happy birthday, Cam.
Happy birthday.
We hope you have a good time at your party truck.
Sounds awesome.
All right, have fun. We'll see you soon. Love you.
See ya.
I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time I get round.
Hey Cameron, it's TT Holly. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. The family is all different directions, but Keithra and I, Christian and Kiera and Magna would love to wish you a happy birthday. Have a great party this weekend.
She said, yeah, that sounds fine. I've been a throw up the...
Happy birthday, Cam. I love you and I hope it's a good one.
And I can put you in.
Happy birthday, Cameron. Sorry you couldn't make it. Have a nice birthday.
Happy birthday. Hey Cam, we wanted to stop. Get on here and shout you out. Happy birthday, man.
Happy birthday, nephew. Have a good one.
Hey Cam, happy birthday. We all want you to have a great day. Much love from the family. Me, Edmund, Edris, Maya, EJ, and the kids. Continue to do great things and be the best who you are. We love you.
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Happy birthday.